Hello guys, welcome to Foodie Hangout. Eggs are an excellent source of protein, and so many people try different recipes to see how they can include eggs in their diet easily. So today I am going to show you simple flavorful egg curry recipe. So let's get started. For the egg curry, I have already boiled about 10 eggs and removed the shells. Now I am just going to cut them all into halves and keep them aside. Here, heat a white pan on low flame and add 2 teaspoons of oil. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Just mix all the powders on low flame to make sure they don't get burnt. Now gently place all the eggs halves in the pan. Spread the eggs all across the pan to let them absorb the masalas. After 2 to 3 minutes, flip them to the other side and roast them for about 2 to 3 minutes again. Once done, keep the roasted eggs aside. Now switch on the stove and take a wide kadai and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 3 finely chopped large onions and saute until they are golden brown in the color. You can see here the onions are slightly browned. At this point, add 3 sliced up green chilies, or you can adjust the chili quantity according to your taste. Once the onions are nicely roasted, keep the flame on low and add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute it well. After the raw smell is all gone from the ginger garlic paste, add the puree of 3 large tomatoes. Mix it well and saute until the raw smell from the tomatoes is also gone. If you see here, the tomato gravy has thick nicely and the oil is separated. At this time, we can add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and again mix it well. There is a really nice aroma coming from these spice powders. So once fried well, now add 1.5 cups of water. And add salt to taste here. Add a pinch of sugar to balance the tartness of the tomatoes. And let this gravy base cook for at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you will be able to see the bubbles in here. At this stage, we can gently transfer the roasted eggs to the kadai. Keep the flame on medium low and cook the eggs for about 5 minutes. Now this will make sure that the eggs absorb all the flavors in the masala. Lastly, I am adding some finely chopped coriander leaves for garnish. That's it, our egg curry is ready to be served nice and hot with some nice hot rice and roti. So you can see the curry is really delicious. Very simple ingredients that are easily available for you in your kitchen. And you can make it for lunch or dinner also. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications.